So I'm in my very own kitchen today to show you a couple of tips to help manage low back pain when you're in the kitchen. We hear this commonly through the week that I've been cooking for a party or I've got lots of people around and I'm spending hours in the kitchen and my back gets really sore. There's two reasons for this and I'm going to give you 2 tips that help manage this problem so you can be as comfortable as you like in the kitchen, get the job done and walk away from it enjoying your meal rather than having a sore back. The first one with people I find is that when they're at the bench, it's usually a little bit lower for the average height person, but they have everything slightly forward from where it could be. So they might be preparing things all the way out in front of you, and you can probably see immediately I'm having to lean quite far forward. It's putting extra strain in my low back, my muscles are having to activate, and if I did this for a couple of hours, there's no wonder I'm going to be sore. So the first tip is bring that as close to you as is comfortable. Of course, if you've got kids, make sure they're not in the kitchen so they can get up and touch it. But for the adults, nice and close as is comfortable so you don't have to bend forward. Now the other thing is, you can probably see I'm not hugely tall, but I'm probably about average. And I'm having to lean down a little bit to get to this bench. And this is your standard height. So instead of bending forward or squatting down, what I'd suggest is just spread your feet apart a little bit so that drops your overall height. And already I'm much more comfortable. I'm not having to bend forward. I'm completely upright. I've got everything close to me. My back's in a neutral position. It's going to be happy here for a long time. Now, of course, moving around the kitchen is going to help as well, but this is a great one for particularly if you're cutting up carrots and meat and all those sort of things that take a little bit of time to do. And you can finish that with a great meal rather than a sore back and enjoy the time with friends and family afterwards instead of being sore and not having a good time.